Hi, it's me, Vamp, and this is how to add a contact to your contacts. Okay, so first step, you click on contacts. There is a contacts app by default downloaded on your iPhone or iPad, but if for some reason there isn't, you should just be able to go to your settings and rig it that way. But just go into contacts, click in the top right hand corner, there will be a plus sign. You click plus, and then you type in the person's name, first name, last name. You don't guys type in their company if you don't want to. You can add their phone number. Now, this home, cell, whatever, you can change later to whatever you want. So don't worry about that. Then you jot down their phone number. And then after you jot down their phone number, then you'll just click done. If you ever want to edit that contact, just go to contacts again, click edit. You can change their ringtone, text tone, add their address. So you can add all kinds of information. You can even change their photo. You can add the animal emojis to them. Instead, like say you want them to be that, there you go. You can, of course, change the background and everything, and that would be how your contact shows up. Or you can add an actual picture, that's you, that's done. Now, as an added bonus, I'm going to show you guys how to list your contacts in order by first name. By default, it goes by the last name. So, in order to list it by your first name, simply click contacts and then sort order, and you can change to first. So that means now it will sort the contacts by what you have them named at the first name and not by the last name. So hopefully this has helped you guys with contacts in general. And with that said, I will catch you guys hopefully in a future video. Later. Okay, now later. Sorry about that. I done goofed, but yeah, later.